Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 21. 감사해요. 감사해요, which means thank you. 감사해요 is another way of saying thank you in Korean, but this is considered less formal as compared to 감사합니다. This is a casual term, but this is considered more polite than Gomawo. How do we write 감사해요 in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. The first syllable is gam. This is written by drawing first a giyot character, al character, and a miyum character. For the second syllable sa, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an al character. For the third syllable he, we need to draw first a hiyot character and an e character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound iyang and a yo character itself. We just need to combine these 4 to form the word 감사해요. As of now, we have already tackled 6 terms for thank you or thanks in Korean. 감사해요 and 고마워요 are considered polite, standard form of saying thank you, while 고마워 and 고맙다 are considered informal way of saying thank you. Therefore, on situations wherein we are talking to authority or to our higher-ups, when we are on our work setup, we can use 감사합니다 or 고맙습니다. When we are talking to people we know but are older than us, we can use 감사해요 and 고마워요. And for those that are of the same age as us or younger, we can use 고마워. And with that, you've just learned 감사해요. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 11 to 20. But don't forget our word for today, word number 21, 감사해요, which means thank you. The first word for our review is word number 20, 고맙습니다. This is a formal way of saying thank you. Next is 고맙다. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Word number 18 is 잘했어. This is used to say stay well. Word number 17 is Jalga. This is used to say go well. Word number 16 is Juseyo, which is used to say please or please give me. Word number 15 is 맥주, which means beer. Word number 14 is 돈, which means money. Word number 13 is sagwa, which means apple. Word number 12 is 반갑습니다, which is used to say nice to meet you. The last word for our review is word number 11, 여보세요. This is used to say hello when answering the phone. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to discuss about the word 쳤다. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.